In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save file in Microsoft PowerPoint Cloud. Saving your PowerPoint to the cloud means your work is safely backed up and available on any device where you sign in. In PowerPoint, this cloud option is powered by OneDrive, Microsoft's online storage that integrates directly with the app. Here's how to do it clearly and confidently. Start by opening PowerPoint and loading the presentation you want to store in the cloud. If it's already open, you're ready to go. This process works the same whether you're creating a new deck or updating an existing one. Next, head to the File menu in the top left corner of PowerPoint. This is your hub for all things related to saving, exporting, and managing your file. Once you're in the File view, choose Save As. Save As lets you pick exactly where the file will live and what it will be called, which is perfect when you want to move something to the cloud. When the Save As options appear, select OneDrive. OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud location, and choosing it ensures your presentation is stored online. If you don't immediately see OneDrive listed, make sure you're signed in to PowerPoint with your Microsoft account. You can check or sign in from the top right corner of the PowerPoint window. After signing in, OneDrive should appear as a save location. From there, choose OneDrive Personal. This indicates you're saving to your personal cloud space, not a work or school account. You'll see your OneDrive folders, so pick the folder where you want the presentation to live. Organizing by project or date can make it easier to find later. Give your file a clear, memorable name so you can quickly identify it in your OneDrive. Finally, click Save. PowerPoint will upload the presentation to OneDrive and link it to the cloud version. After it saves, you'll often see an autosave toggle at the top of the window. Turning autosave on is a great idea because it continuously backs up your changes as you work, reducing the risk of losing progress. Once saved to OneDrive, your presentation is accessible from any device where you're signed in, including PowerPoint on the web and the mobile app. If you're offline, you can still work locally. PowerPoint will sync your changes to the cloud the next time you're connected. And because the file is in OneDrive, sharing with others is straightforward using the Share button. That's it. You opened your presentation, used File, Save As, selected OneDrive, chose OneDrive Personal, and saved. Your PowerPoint is now safely stored in the cloud and ready wherever you need it.